Imagine waking up one day and realizing that farmers can no longer produce enough food to feed the world's growing population. As the global population increases, agriculture faces a major challenges such as climate change, unpredictable weather, limited resources, and rising food demand. This problem threatens not only the farmers but also millions of people around the world. Fortunately, innovation and engineering continue to provide solutions to these problems. One company that has been leading this transformation for nearly 2 centuries is John Deere. From building simple farming tools to developing autonomous tractors and precision agriculture technologies, John Deere has continuously helped farmers improve productivity while protecting natural resources. Today, we will explore the history of John Deere, its remarkable innovations, and how it addresses global agricultural challenges, and why mechanical engineering technology plays a vital role in making these technologies possible.
Talk about the history of John Deere. Before John Deere became a global leader in agricultural machinery, he started with a simple problem. In the early 1800s, the farmers in the American Midwest struggled to plow the region's thick, sticky soil. The cast iron flows available at the time would often become clogged with dirt, forcing farmers to stop repeatedly and clean them by hand. This made farming slow, exhausting, and inefficient. In 1837, a blacksmith named John Deere came up with a better solution. Using a polished steel blade from a broken sawmill, he created the world's first self-scouring steel plow. Unlike traditional plows, soil slid off the smooth steel surface instead of sticking to it, allowing farmers to work faster and more efficiently. The invention quickly gained popularity, and demand for the steel plow grew. John Deere expanded his small blacksmith shop into a manufacturing business, laying the foundation for what would eventually become the John Deere Company. Over the next century, the company continued to innovate. It expanded from producing flows to manufacturing tractors, harvesters, construction equipment, and forestry machines. Today, John Deere operates in more than 100 countries and is recognized as one of the world's leading agricultural technology companies, combining heavy machinery with GPS, automation, and precision farming technologies.
Highlights of John Deere. John Deere is one of the world leading manufacturer of agriculture, construction, and forestry equipment. The company is well known for producing reliable and high quality machines such as tractors, harvesters, excavator, combines, and other heavy equipment that help farmers and businesses perform their work more efficiently. Because of its strong reputation for durability and innovation, John Deere has become a trusted brand in many countries. Beyond manufacturing equipment, John Deere has transformed modern farming through precision agriculture. The company integrates advanced technologies such as a global positioning system, sensor, drones, artificial intelligence, and data analytics into each machine. These technologies enable farmers to monitor crop health, analyze soil condition, apply fertilizer and pesticides only where needed, and optimize irrigation. As a result, farmers can reduce production costs, minimize waste, increase crop yield, and make more informed decisions. John Deere is also leading the development of autonomous tractors and smart farming solutions. This self-driving machine can perform tasks such as planting, tilling, and harvesting with minimal human intervention, while maintaining high accuracy. Combined with cloud-based software and real-time data monitoring, this innovation allow farmers to manage their operation more efficiently, even remotely, by improving efficiency, reducing. Despite its success and innovation, John Deere also faces several challenges. One of the biggest concerns is the high cost of its equipment.
Modern tractors and harvesting machines are equipped with advanced technologies such as GPS guidance, sensors, and automation, making them highly efficient, but also expensive. For many small-scale farmers, especially in developing countries, these machines remain difficult to afford. Another challenge is the growing dependence on technology. Since many John Deere machines rely on software and electronic systems, repairs can become more complex and costly. Farmers may need specialized technicians or authorized service centers to fix certain issues, which can lead to downtime during critical farming seasons. John Deere also faces increasing pressure to support sustainable agriculture. As climate change continues to affect farming around the world, the company must develop machines that are more fuel efficient, environmentally friendly, and capable of helping farmers reduce waste while maintaining productivity. Although these challenges exist, they also encourage John Deere to continue improving its products through engineering and innovation. By balancing performance, accessibility, and sustainability, the company continues to play an important role in the future of global agriculture.
John Deere plays a vital role in addressing global issues such as food security, climate change, and sustainable farming. Its smart technology helps farmers produce more foods while using less fuel, water, fertilizer, and pesticides. This reduces environmental impact while increasing crop yields. The company also uses precision agriculture, GPS-guided equipment, and autonomous machinery to improve farming efficiency and reduce labor shortage in many agricultural communities. These technologies allow farmers to monitor crop condition in real time and make better decisions, leading to higher productivity and lower operating costs. By providing agricultural efficiency, John Deere supports farmers around the world in feeding growing global population while protecting natural resources for future generations through innovation and sustainability. John Deere continues to contribute to a more productivity and environmentally responsible world.
John Deere's success is made possible by the principles and innovation of mechanical engineering. Mechanical engineers design and develop powerful diesel, electric engines, hydraulic systems, transmissions, and durable machine components that enable agricultural equipment to operate efficiently under demanding field conditions. They also ensure that these machines are safe, reliable, fuel efficient, and capable of withstanding continuous heavy-duty use. In addition, mechanical engineers also play a vital role in research development, product testing, manufacturing maintenance, and quality control. They continuously improve machine performance, reduce emissions, enhance operator comfort, and develop sustainable solutions that meet the growing demands of the global agriculture. As a mechanical engineering technology student, John Deere demonstrates how our field applies engineering principles to solve real world challenges. It shows that mechanical engineering goes beyond designing machines. It is about creating innovative, sustainable, and efficient technologies that improve food production, support farmers, and contribute to a better future through engineering excellence.
As we came closer to the end of this presentation, one message became clear. John Deere is not just about building machine. It is about helping to build a future for humanity. For us, as future mechanical engineering technologists, this story is more than just a success story. It is a challenge. Because every engine we design, every mechanisms we improve, and every problem we solve has a potential to make a difference. And for the future of agriculture, it is not built by just the machine only. It is built by the mechanical engineering technologists who dare to innovate. Perhaps one day, that technologist will be one of us.